Well, I think I've got everything. I haven't got any leftover parts, and everything's gone back together pretty easily. I haven't got any, thing I worry about except for oil leaks and, those sorts of things. So I'll give it a crank up in a minute and we'll see how we go. Alright, well, this fingers crossed. I've got battery power. Battery's been on charge this morning. Battery was okay, but I just put on the charger anyway. Got all dash lights. Let's hero or zero, here we go. Oh my god! No way! That's just not possible! How was that? That's incredible! I can't believe it! I turned the carby on, the fuel taps on when I went and grabbed a drink and came back out. But, oh my god, that's incredible! Now that sounds sweet as. All that gearbox noise I had before is all gone. That just runs so nice, and oh, smell that paint burning in. Gotta love that smell. But wow, that is, it's so quiet. I've got to have oil pressure, and all I can say is, yeah, that's fantastic. Thank you, everybody. So I've just given the idle a bit of a tweak. I've been out for about a 30k ride. I've ridden it like I stole it, and it's running really well. No noises in the gearboxes, no noise in third gear. Really goes really hard. Yeah, it's just picking up where it left off as far as its reliability goes. It feels 100% reliable already. I know it's hard to say at this stage, but with what I've just ridden and the way I've just ridden it, if it was going to have a problem, I would know by now. So still needs a bit of a clean up, but I'm going to do a 300 odd Ks tomorrow with another ADV. We're going to go out and just have a bit of a thrash, and yeah, once I get back I'll change the oil and put some decent oil in it, because it'll be nearly due by then. But running all good, running really well.